Recording.
Hello, everyone. My name is Colin Hughes. I'm chair of the UNC Asheville IEEE Student Branch.
Hi, my name is Trevor Golston, and I'm the vice chair of the UNC Asheville Student Branch. Thank you for joining us today as we present our Southeast Con 2026 T-shirt design. First, we'll go through and allow the faculty to introduce themselves and their role with the program.
Hi, I'm Karen Braswell, and I'm the program assistant.
And Avi.
Hi, I'm Avi Silverman, and I am a professor.
Hi, I am Eli Buckner, and I am a faculty member here in our program as well.
Great. So now I guess we'll start.
All
This is our overall design for the t-shirt. One of our main goals was to create something that represents both institutions and the engineering identity of our program, while also being visually strong enough to stand out at a conference like Southeast Con. This design was created by Leah Page, a mechatronics engineering student here at UNC Asheville. Her design combines NC State's wolf imagery with the Blue Ridge Mountains, reflecting both sides of the joint engineering program.
So first, what is the target audience of our t-shirts? The primary audience for this design is attendees at IEEE Southeast Con. This includes engineering students, faculty and researchers, and industry professionals who will see your shirt throughout the conference. The secondary audience includes our prospective students, visitors to our engineering program, and alumni. Because of this, the design aims to be recognizable, professional, and clearly tied to our program identity. Next, what are the business goals of our design, and how does this concept achieve them? This design supports several goals. It helps promote the UNCA IEEE student branch, increases visibility for joint mechatronics engineering students, joint mechatronics engineering program, supports student recruitment, and provides recognition and visibility for our program sponsors.
Now, what were the design considerations made for our shirt? One of the main visual elements is the wolf, representing NC State's engineering and Wolfpack identity. It symbolizes teamwork and collaboration. The mountains represent UNC Asheville and the Blue Ridge Mountains of Western North Carolina. They also reference the UNC Asheville motto, Levo Oculus Meos in Montes, meaning I lift my eyes to the mountains. We focus on maintaining a clear visual hierarchy. The wolf serves as the main focal point, while the institutional logos remain visible without overcrowding the design. High contrast colors help ensure the design is readable from a distance, especially in conference-like environments. The circular framing also helps balance the composition and keeps the design visually cohesive.
So how do we tailor our design for our audience? The artwork uses clean geometric lines and vector-style graphics. This resembles CAD profiles and technical drawings, which ties design visually to engineering and manufacturing disciplines. Finally, the artwork was created by a human artist who is a student here at Asheville. This reflects Asheville's strong arts community and the intersection of art and engineering on our campus.
And finally, how did cost play a role? Cost played an important role in the design process. We limited the number of colors and avoided color gradients. We also used clean vector artwork to reduce print complexity. Our shirts must remain affordable as a primary audience or target is college students. We prioritize accessibility and broad exposure over profit when making cost decisions. Overall, the design integrates engineering symbolism, regional identity, and institutional partnership, and practical manufacturing considerations. Thank you, and now we welcome any questions.
right. Very good, guys. I don't have any questions.
or any feedback.
Any feedback? I think if I could have anything change at all, it may be a separation of logos from like the main design. Um, but I think I'm just nitpicking at that point.
Mm, okay.
I think it looks great, honestly.
Oh, okay. So like you'd be interested to see like the main artwork and then like the logos on the back of the shirt or something like that, like a
Maybe
separation.
something like that where it's maybe it's split up a little bit.
Gotcha. Great.
Oh, and um, I would also like to have seen something like um, UNC joint UNC NC State NCSU robotics team or some sort of identifier text on there.
Okay. I guess Colin and I can see if we can add that in somehow. Anything else, Avi or Karen?
I love that it's not AI, that somebody actually drew it and spent time on it instead of just plugging in to get something that wasn't as meaningful as combining the two schools in the way that you did.
Hmm. Yeah, we were definitely thinking about starting there, but we didn't want to take the easy way out on this one. All right. Do you have anything, Avi?
Can't really think of anything. Yeah, I like the design. I think it makes a nice kind of marriage between the two like schools to kind of represent our program.
Hmm.
Um,
That sounds good. I mean, your feedback has the least amount of work, so I love it. All right. Well, thanks for meeting with us today. And you know, we'll definitely take your feedback into consideration and try to see if we can make some edits to the design before comp. But great. I guess I will go ahead and stop the recording.